All right, Mahinder, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast while we also get a glimpse of the kind of scenes that we are witnessing in Anand Vihar, where in fact Delhi BJP is present and distributing masks to the people to launch awareness campaign. Mehndi. Mehndi, if you can hear me clearly, in fact, we can see the kind of protest that's happening at this point of time.
And continuous sloganeering is happening, and you can see the visuals here, and also, the posters and banners will start up with the Virendra Sachdeva and also MOS MP Harsh Malhotra. They will give their statements regarding the air pollution right now. What is the situation? And the sloganeering is continuing right now here, and we'll talk to the regarding.
और कहाँ है बाकी? अमन का है अमन?
These are the visuals, Simran, that we are showing you, and we'll now hear the statement from the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva regarding the air pollution situation right now here, because the AQI has increased the levels of 1,000. Yes, we'll hear Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva speaking now.
दिल्ली में
See, Simran, we are showing you the visuals here. MOS and MP Harsh Malhotra is also here, and also Delhi BJP Karyakartas are present here, and the AQI has been observed to increase the level of thousands, and the situation is deteriorating right now. And the banners and posters are very clear. There is written that Kejriwal Shasan mein Delhi bani gas chamber.
दिल्ली सरकार की लापरवाही और उनके निकम्मेपन का परिणाम है। दिल्ली में बढ़ता हुआ प्रदूषण दिल्ली सरकार की लापरवाही और निकम्मेपन का परिणाम है। कल जिस बेशर्मी से दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री दूसरे राज्यों पे दोष डाल रही थीं, उनको एक बार सरकारी आंकड़े देख लेने चाहिए। 18 नवंबर कल मात्र पंजाब में अकेले 1251 घटनाएं पराली जलाने की हुई हैं, जबकि यूपी में 133 और हरियाणा में मात्र 38 थीं। तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि कौन ज़्यादा पराली के धुएं का दोषी है। आज हम आनंद विहार पर खड़े हैं। आज से 2 साल पहले दिल्ली में 2 ट्रिगर पॉइंट होते थे पोल्यूशन के, आनंद विहार और आश्रम। आज पूरी दिल्ली ट्रिगर पॉइंट पे है। क्या कारण है? कारण साफ है कि दिल्ली में सड़कों की मरम्मत नहीं हुई है। धूल मिट्टी, व्हीकल पोल्यूशन और दिल्ली सरकार का फेलियर। अगर इन्होंने सड़कों की रिपेयर कर दी होती, सड़कों के गड्ढे भर दिए होते, धूल को कंट्रोल कर लिया होता, तो शायद दिल्ली को बचाया जा सकता था। 2.25 लाख से ज़्यादा मशीनें पराली की पंजाब सरकार के डीएम ऑफिस से गायब हो जाती हैं। नेशनल क्लीन एयर प्रोग्राम के तहत पंजाब को 38.5 करोड़ और दिल्ली को 37 करोड़ रुपया दिया जाता है, लेकिन वो खर्च नहीं किया जाता है। तो भ्रष्टाचार इस सीमा तक है कि जिसकी मार दिल्ली वाले भुगत रहे हैं। और ये जो मास्क है, ये आने वाली चेतावनी है कि अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार को यहाँ से नहीं हटाया तो आने वाला दिन वो दूर नहीं कि जब दिल्ली वाला ऐसे मास्क पहनने के लिए मजबूर होगा।
So, Simran, this we heard Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva giving his statement because the situation is very bad right now, and we'll also try to talk to MOS and MP Harsh Malhotra that what statements he will give, because the situation is very bad. And BJP President Virendra Sachdeva also mentioned that earlier only 1 to 2 hotspots were there in the national capital, but right now every area, every region has become a major hotspot because of the increasing air pollution, and the situation is deteriorating very fastly. 4 has been imposed, but on ground the reality is completely different, because those rules and regulations are not being followed strictly, because construction work is still happening, metro work is still happening, and also the BS3 and BS4 petrol and diesel vehicles are still can be seen on the roads. So the situation is very bad here. Again, we'll show you the visuals that how Delhi BJP is protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party, and they are targeting the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal and the Chief Minister Atishi, saying that they are not taking this problem very seriously, and stricter actions can also be taken regarding all this, because this is a problem of every year, not this year, but every year the situation remains the same, and the reasons are many. Parali is a very big reason, as Virendra Sachdeva also mentioned. Delhi BJP also issued some statistics regarding the Parali burning, and they are accusing the Punjab government for the increased rates in the Parali this year also, due to which this air pollution is increasing and going on increasing. And
all right, Mehendee, I'll request you to, as rightly put, in fact,